Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Banxso.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Vespine Energy, a Berkeley, California-based company that converts methane gas released from landfills into power for Bitcoin mining, closed a $4.3 million funding round led by blockchain investment firm Polychain Capital and one of the climate-focused fund. Tesla sold 28,217 Chinese-made vehicles in July, nearly two-thirds less than a month earlier, as a scheduled upgrade to its factory lines in Shanghai disrupted production. Gold held its biggest decline in 2 weeks after strong US jobs growth tempered recession fears, suggesting the Federal Reserve is likely to persist with sleep interest rate hikes to curb inflation. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 3.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 23:01 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 GMT, and Germany's consumer price index at 0600 GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 0500 GMT, and the US consumer price index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.